A beautiful car dashboard is ready to roll off the production line. The buttons look perfect, the texture is smooth and the panels fit seamlessly. But suddenly, some things went wrong. There is a small crack near the air vent. The plastic part didn't fill properly. The surface finish looks uneven. The entire batch is rejected and the company loses lakhs in just a few hours. All because the plastic mold was not designed correctly. That's how powerful and critical plastic mold design really is. Hello everyone, this is Sagar Rathod and welcome back to 4 Dimensions Infotech, where we help mechanical, automotive and design engineers build real high-paying careers in design industry. Today we are diving into one of the most in-demand and future-proof skills in product and automotive design, plastic mold design. So what exactly the plastic mold design is? Every plastic component you see, your car bumper, headlight housing, mobile cover, refrigerator body or even the chair you are sitting on was created using a mold. A mold is a precision tool made of steel or aluminum that shapes molten plastic into a desired form through a process called injection molding. Now, here is the catch. If the mold design is even slightly wrong, the plastic won't fill properly. The part will shrink, deform or get air bubbles and the final product becomes useless. That's why plastic mold designers are the backbone of the manufacturing industry. They decide how every single plastic part of a product will actually be made. Let's simplify it. Think of a plastic mold as a perfect replica of the product. When melted, plastic is injected inside. It cools and hardens, forming the exact shape of the part. The designer has to think about everything: wall thickness, cooling channels, parting lines, injector pins, draft angles, shrinkage and flow paths. A single mistake can cause defects, rejection or even damage the mold that costs lakhs of rupees. That's how much precision this job demands and how valuable skilled mold designers are. Now, why plastic mold design is such huge in demand? Because everything around us is made of plastic parts, from automobiles and electronics to home appliances, medical devices and packaging. India alone produces millions of injection mold components every single day. With the rise of electric vehicles, consumer gadgets and lightweight materials, the demand of plastic mold designers is growing faster than ever. Global reports estimate that the plastic injection molding market will cross $450 billion by 2030 and India is one of the top contributors. Every new product means new mold and that means new design engineers are needed all the time. If you start today, your career growth in this field can be incredible. In your first year, you will start as a trainee or junior design engineer, learning mold basics, designing parts and understanding injection molding machines. Within 2 to 3 years, you can become a plastic mold designer working on 2D and 3D designs, cavity core designs, parting lines and mold assemblies. By your 4th or 5th year, you can grow into a senior mold engineer or project lead, managing full mold projects, client communication and validation. Later, you can move into roles like tool design lead, mold manufacturer manager or even start your own design consultancy. The salary growth in this field is also impressive. A fresher can start around 20 to 35,000 rupees per month and within 3 to 5 years, experienced mold designers easily earn between 60,000 and 1,20,000 per month. Those working with global companies or abroad earn even more. Now let's talk about how to learn plastic mold design in proper way. Here is something most people get wrong. They think learning software like Catia, NX or SolidWorks is enough, but software alone can't make you a good designer. You need to understand the design logic, how plastic flows inside the mold, the manufacturing process, how tooling and cooling affect the product and GD&T. You also need to learn about mold design standards, ejector systems, runner, gate design and cooling channels. At 4 Dimensions Infotech, we teach you all of this step by step, from fundamentals to advanced plastic mold design concepts. You will learn using industry standard software and get hands-on experience with real-world projects used in automotive and consumer product design. And yes, we also provide 100% placement assistance so you can directly step into design industry with confidence. Most mechanical engineers never explore this side of design. They get stuck in production or maintenance jobs, even though mold design offers higher growth, creativity and stability. When you learn this skill, you become more than just an engineer. You become a specialist, someone the industry can't function without. Whether it's designing car interiors, electronic parts or medical components, plastic mold designers are the real creators behind every product you see. So if you are a mechanical or automobile engineer and you want to build a stable, high-paying and global career, start learning plastic mold design today with 4 Dimensions Infotech. Visit our website or contact us now to know the course details and start your journey as a professional mold designer. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the one product you would love to design a mold for? A car bumper, a laptop shell or something totally unique. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on career growth, mechanical design and industry skills. Thanks for watching and remember, behind every perfect product you touch, there is a perfectly designed mold and you could be the engineer who designs it.